10 foods that boost collagen naturally. These superfoods can help you look younger, keep your skin firm, and give you that healthy glow. 1. Oranges. 2. Spinach. 3. Red bell peppers. 4. Tomatoes. 5. Avocado. 6. Carrots. 7. Broccoli. 8. Blueberries. 9. Sweet potatoes. 10. Walnuts. 1. Oranges. Oranges being juiced or sliced. First up, oranges. Packed with vitamin C, they're essential for collagen production. A glass of fresh orange juice a day can work wonders for your skin. 2. Spinach. Spinach being added to a salad or smoothie. Next, we have spinach. This leafy green is rich in vitamin A and antioxidants that hydrate the skin and promote collagen naturally. 3. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers being roasted or diced. Number 3. Red bell peppers. They're not only vibrant but also high in vitamin C and carotenoids, which protect your skin from aging. 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes in a salad or fresh tomato soup. At number 4, tomatoes. They're loaded with lycopene, an antioxidant that shields collagen from damage and keeps your skin firm. 5. Avocado. Avocado toast or guacamole. Number 5 is avocado. Known for its healthy fats and vitamin E, it's a skin superfood that supports collagen regeneration and adds a youthful glow. 6. Carrots. Carrots being sliced or blended into a juice. Coming in at number 6, carrots. They're rich in vitamin A, which repairs damaged collagen and keeps your skin smooth and youthful. 7. Broccoli. Steamed broccoli or broccoli salad. Number 7, broccoli. Packed with vitamin C and zinc, this vegetable helps your body produce collagen and fight wrinkles. 8. Blueberries. Blueberries being added to yogurt or oatmeal. Number 8, blueberries. These little berries are full of antioxidants that protect collagen and keep your skin glowing. 9. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes being baked or mashed. At number 9, sweet potatoes. They're a great source of beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, stimulating collagen and improving skin texture. 10. Walnuts. Walnuts sprinkled over salad or eaten as a snack. And finally, number 10, walnuts. These are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and zinc, which support skin hydration and collagen production. That's it for today. Incorporate these 10 amazing foods into your diet to boost collagen and look younger naturally. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.